Hi friends, welcome to Aditi Food Channel. I am Sujatha Shivashankar. Today I am going to show you how to make POMFRET fish tawa fry. To prepare POMFRET fish tawa fry, I have taken 1 kg of white POMFRET fish. I have taken 1 garlic, approximately 20 to 25 cloves. Transfer to the blender jar. Add 1 inch ginger chopped. 3 green chilies. 6 KASHMIRI red chillies washed. Add around 10 BYADIGE red chillies. Add half teaspoon of black peppercorns. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. 1 teaspoon cumin or jeera. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds or dhania. Quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add salt as needed. Add 1 tablespoon of kachuli. It's available in South Canara. If you don't have this, you can use 1 lemon juice or you can use tamarind water also. Add about 100 ml of water. Blend it smooth. Fish masala is blended smooth and is ready. You can taste it and add lemon juice and salt as needed. I have already washed and cleaned it. Let's cut like this. Turn it and cut the same way on the other side. It's cut like this so that the masala gets absorbed nicely into the fish. Now let's coat the POMFRET fish with masala. Apply the masala both sides. Turn it. Put the masala. Marinate all the fish with masala on both the sides like this and set aside in refrigerator for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Heat a pan and add about 5 to 6 teaspoon of oil. The oil is hot. Place the marinated POMFRET fish. Add little oil over the fish. Close the lid, let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid. One side it is cooked. Flip over gently. Close the lid, let it cook on this side for another 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. After 12 minutes, open the lid. Fish is cooked on both the sides. Fish tawa fry is ready. Transfer it to the serving plate. Delicious POMFRET tawa fry is ready. It is a tasty seafood recipe. Light on tummy, sharpens the brain, protects the heart, keeps the skin healthy. Try our POMFRET fish tawa fry recipe at your home. Comment, like, share, subscribe to Aditi Food Channel. Thank you for watching.